Snehal and welcome back to my channel. So, generation gap, you know, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम और हमारे पेरेंट्स के बीच में जो जनरेशन गैप होती है उसकी वजह से बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, राइट? एंड हम धीरे धीरे ऐसा सोचने लगते हैं कि ओ हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें नहीं समझेंगे एंड वॉट एवर, ठीक है? सो मुझे लगता है कि मेंटल हेल्थ सिर्फ हमें ही नहीं, एक्चुअली ज़रूरत हमारे पेरेंट्स को भी है और हमें भी समझने की ज़रूरत है। मतलब हम दोनों को एक दूसरे की समझने की ज़रूरत है। सो इसलिए टुडेज वीडियो इज़ स्पेशली फॉर अस एंड फॉर आवर पेरेंट्स सो दैट वी कैन बिल्ड a good relationship and a healthy relationship with each other. So, yeah, let's not wait and let's just get started. Okay, point number one, understand each other. Okay, I have seen a few of my friends or few of the people who would be like, oh, I don't watch these kind of certain, series or dramas or something like that because they make fun of those people or they make fun of those actors. But we as a generation of this time, we need to understand that there is a generation gap between us, okay? And they will not understand our generation, okay? I'm not saying that they are right. Obviously, they are wrong. But we as a children, we should also understand that they are completely from a different generation. They have brought up from a very different environment, so that's why their moral and their thinking and what kind of people should be and how they should dress up or these kind of things, they have a completely different approach of lifestyle. So I think we should accept that nowadays people are more accepting towards a different kind of gender, right? But the time from which they have came in, at that time there were not that much people who used to accept a lot of genders, you know. So I think we need to understand कि वो हमें नहीं समझ सकते, ठीक है? एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट विद देम, इन फ्यूचर व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू हैव आवर फ्यूचर जनरेशन, ठीक है, आवर किड्स, उस टाइम पे भी और भी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा इवॉल्व हो जाएंगी एंड मे बी वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड देम एज वेल, right? So we need to understand, and to the parents as well, that they also should understand and respect their children's likes or dislikes, right? And similarly with children as well, that they should respect their likes and dislikes. We can't force them to like certain actor or certain things that you like, because both are completely from a different generation. We should just accept that and just move forward. Point number two, help each other. Let's take an example of cell phone, right? People think that their parents would not be able to understand, like they are our first teacher, right? So if they can help us to learn our first letters, if they can help us to how to walk and everything, then how you can think that they will not be able to understand how to use a phone? And I think it's not a rocket science. मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी अगर उस चीज को चलाएगा तो आई थिंक दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड easily and they would understand how to operate it, because we as a user of our cell phone, हमें ऐसी कोई अलग से पढ़ाई नहीं करनी पड़ी, right? We can easily understand. हम लोगों ने खुद चला चला के सीख लिया. Nowadays there are different kind of languages available, right? So I don't think so that there is any rocket science to learn how to use your phone, right? So I have heard a lot of people that, oh, I don't want to buy a phone for my mother because she will not be able to understand. But why not? You can help her, right? And when you help your parents to learn certain things, it will make you happy and also them as well, because it will boost their confidence, okay? And they will feel included because they also want कि हम भी ये चीज़ चलाएं, हम भी ये चीज़ करें, हम भी फेसबुक चलाएं, हम भी इंस्टाग्राम चलाएं एंड ऑल. And I can completely understand your point as well, but as a parents, I think we should also understand, because in future if our children will do the same thing with us, it's gonna hurt us, right? Obviously बहुत बुरा लगेगा. So I think we should respect that and we should help them so that they can understand better and they can feel included. Okay, they want to feel included, they want कि वो भी आपको मैसेज करे, वो भी आपके साथ बात करे, चैट करे, the way people talk with their children. They also want that, they also want to live the life. Okay, so I think we should help each other. जैसे हमें कोई भी चीज़ें, पुरानी चीज़ें, जब हमें जो भी चीज़ें सीखनी थी तो उन्होंने हमें सिखाया, राइट? सो वी as a children, it's, I think it's our responsibility that we should also help them to learn new things, right? The other thing is that, point number 3, constantly compliment them. Okay, you know, my mother, like my parents, my father, he understands English, right? And he can easily write, he can easily understand language. But with my mother, it's little difficult for her, right? Because um, she can understand Hindi but she can't understand English, but she tries really hard to understand. But we don't focus on what she can't do. Instead, we focus on the things on which she is really good, like her memory. Her memory is so strong. I mean, she can remembers, मतलब जन्मों जन्मों की बातें, कितने कितने साल पुरानी पुरानी बातें, she remembers every single thing. मतलब ऐसा भी होता है ना कि मैं भूल जाती हूँ, मेरा भाई भूल जाता है चीज़ें, पर my mother remembers every single thing. ठीक है? So we always compliment her on this thing, that how she remembers everything, even if the like the smallest thing, you know, अगर वो कोई छोटी सी भी चीज़ try करती है ना, so we make sure that we compliment her, because it boosts her कि हाँ मुझे ये चीज़ पता है, I'm feeling so happy. We never forget to, you know, compliment her. Like whenever she reminds us that, oh, you know, that is going to happen with you, or uh, you remember that time when this happened? And I was like, wow, mummy, you remember every single thing, you're so smart. Even though if she, like, even if she remembers or even if she learns a new word in English, we would compliment her that too. And you know, the way she comment on like on our videos or even on our pictures or to anyone else, she does that very smartly, that we would compliment her on that, even though she says that, oh no, it's not like that, तुम लोग भी क्या, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, I'm not that smart. But we know that it boosts her confidence. And you know, that smile is so priceless, you know, it makes us feel so good. So we never forget to compliment her. So I think you should also compliment your parents. So I would say that ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि वो सीख नहीं सकते. ओके, एंड जब आप उन्हें सिखाते हो ना वो चीज़ें, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, उनकी जो कमियां है ना वो बताना बंद करो. आई थिंक हमें उनकी पॉजिटिव चीज़ें उन्हें बतानी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट मेक्स देम फील कॉन्फिडेंट. जैसे हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स हमेशा हमें अच्छी चीज़ें हमारे बारे में बताते हैं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हमेशा ही अच्छी चीज़ें बताते हैं, बुरी चीज़ें भी बताते हैं. बट बहुत बार जब भी हम डाउन होते हैं या हमारा मूड ख़राब होता है, तो दे ऑलवेज, यू नो, मोटिवेट अस, अपलिफ्ट अस. तो हमें ऑब्वियसली अच्छा लगता है, राइट? सो सेम थिंग विद देम एज वेल, नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर पेरेंट्स तो उनको ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली दे ऑल्सो नीड, वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड वी ऑल नीड सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ मोटिवेशन, राइट, इन आर लाइफ्स. सो आई थिंक कि आपको उनको ना मोटिवेट करते रहना चाहिए. उन्हें हैप्पी फील कराओ, उन्हें फील कराओ कि वो कितनी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, एंड उनसे ना उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होगा और उन्हें अच्छा भी लगेगा. You know, don't make them feel that they are dumb and they don't understand anything. No, they are not dumb. Okay, so please don't do that. Okay, and the last point, be friend with each other. आई नो, बहुत सारे लोगों को मैं जानती हूँ दैट दे आर लाइक कि वाई वुड आई शेयर थिंग्स टू माई मदर, वाई वुड आई शेयर माई थिंग्स टू माई पेरेंट्स, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू, you know, give burden on them. Or put burden on them, or I don't want to give them any kind of tension or pressure. I should keep everything inside. And few weeks back I saw one reel of a psychiatrist. I actually don't remember his name, but yeah, he said that a lot of time children think that, oh, we should not share our tension or pressure or whatever it is. It may be because of their friend, or maybe it's because of their work life or personal life, whatever it is. They don't share it, and they think that keeping everything inside me, it will not give any tension to my parents. But actually they are their parents, right? And they can easily understand what is going on. Even if you are not going to say anything, they still can understand, even with your single word. Matlab, whenever I pick up my call, मेरे हेलो बोलने से मैं बदर अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या हो रहा है. पता नहीं how she understands that, how she feels that, I literally don't have any idea. And I think that most of people, most of the kids will understand this, कि जो भी बाहर रह रहे हैं, कि जब भी हम लोग फ़ोन उठाते हैं ना, हमारे हेलो बोलने से ना हमारी मम्मी लोगों को पता चल जाता है कि पता नहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है. Whether I am sick, whether I have workload, whether I'm not feeling well, whether I have headache, anything, मतलब कुछ भी अगर होगा, एंड अगर मैं खुश हूँ, she can easily understand कि क्या चल रहा है, ठीक है. एंड देन शी विल आस्क. सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल बी लाइक कि नहीं 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 बताते नहीं बताते. बट दैट साइकेट्रिस्ट मेंशन्ड कि अगर आप बताते हो ना, तो एक्चुअली उनका टेंशन थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे कि टेंशन खत्म हो जाता है, थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. क्यों? बिकॉज नाउ दे नो द सिवियरिटी ऑफ प्रेशर यू हैव राइट नाउ. क्योंकि तब जब आपने उनको नहीं बताया, एट दैट टाइम दे वर लाइक कम्प्लीटली क्लूलेस कि क्या चल रहा है उसकी लाइफ में. आई डोंट नो एनी थिंग अबाउट इट. तो वो सोच सोच के वो और टेंशन में चले जाते हैं. बट वेन यू शेयर दैट थिंग टू देम, तो उन्हें पता होता है कि ओके, ये टेंशन चल रहा है. मे बी दे वुड नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू आउट, बट एटलीस्ट दे कैन गिव यू सपोर्ट, ठीक है. कम से कम वो शांति से सो तो पाएंगे, बिकॉज वो सोच सोच के तो और उनको टेंशन ही होगा ना, कि क्या चल रहा है उसके दिमाग में, क्या चल रहा है, मेरे को बताया भी नहीं, मेरे को बताया भी नहीं. और लॉट ऑफ टाइम पीपल डोंट शेयर इस वजह से भी. चाहे लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ देयर बॉयफ्रेंड, और मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ देयर वर्कलोड और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बहुत बार लोग इसलिए भी नहीं बताते कि अरे ये सारे टर्म्स जो है वो उन लोग को समझ में नहीं आएंगे एंड ऑल. बट ठीक है, नहीं समझ में आएंगे, बट वी कैन ट्राई, ठीक है. नहीं समझ में आएंगे, स्टिल दे विल फील गुड, दे विल फील इंक्लूडेड, कि मुझे एज अ फ्रेंड माना जा रहा है. आई एम लाइक अ इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन टू देम, एंड दैट्स वाई दे आर शेयरिंग इट. मतलब मेरी लाइफ में अगर वर्क प्रॉब्लम भी होता है, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि मैं सारे वर्क प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करती हूँ, बट बहुत सारे वर्कलोड है जो कि मैं शेयर करती हूँ, मैं बताती हूँ. इवन दो मुझे लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं बताना चाहिए, नहीं बताना चाहिए, बट आई शेयर इट बिकॉज आई फील दैट दे फील इंक्लूडेड. आई रिमेंबर लास्ट ईयर व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट, तो मैंने मेरे फादर को भी बताया था और मैंने मेरी मम्मी को भी बताया था. एंड दे I think those were the time when I needed them a lot, and because I shared all these things to them, they knew that what is happening in my life, and they supported me a lot. Their words helped me a lot to cope up with things and to keep going. They supported me a lot, even though they can't help, they were not able to help me, but they were there with me. So instead of keeping everything inside you, it's better to share to them. They will also feel better. They will also feel that, okay, I know what is happening in her life and how to help. And at the same time, they will also feel included and you will feel lighter as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. मैं बस यही बोलना चाहती हूँ कि this is not for all parents, because I know कि सारे parents ऐसे supportive और बहुत प्यार करने वाले नहीं होते हैं. There are a lot of parents जो कि अपने बच्चों को नहीं समझते हैं. They don't support their children. They are very like selfish, and I know that they hurt their children as well. And for them I would say मैं उसके लिए कभी separate video बनाऊंगी, because I have to एनालाइज अ लॉट अबाउट इट, बिकॉज मैं वैसी अपब्रिंगिंग में नहीं हुई, तो आई एम completely unaware about that. If your parents are selfish, they don't know how to love you, they abuse you, they don't respect you, because respect should be from both side. Okay, एक तरफ से नहीं होना चाहिए. So if they don't respect you, they don't support you, then I think you should choose yourself. Actually, वो प्यार करते हो नहीं करते हो, फिर भी आपको अपने आप को चूज करना चाहिए. एट द सेम टाइम आपको अपने लव्ड वंस को भी प्यार करना चाहिए, बट अगर आपके पेरेंट्स और आपकी फैमिली अगर ऐसी है, सो आई एम सो सॉरी, बट आई थिंक कि आपको मूव आउट कर जाना चाहिए और आपको अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए. यू शुड बी योर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. Yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.